Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So I had lost a bet with Crystal, so she challenged me to do a crockpot recipe for you guys. So I am doing crockpot chili today. So I'm starting off by frying up some bacon, and we want to let that get nice and crispy. Looking good. And the second half of the bacon is in. All right, so we have all our bacon out and set to the side. All right, so we've removed most of the bacon grease from the pan. And the next thing we're going to do is add some garlic. All right, next we are going to brown our ground beef. All right, so our beef is brown and now we are going to season it. To do that, I have a packet of chili seasoning mix and I'm going to be adding half of it into our meat. All right, so I have crumbled our bacon from earlier. And now we are going to add half of that into our ground beef and give that a quick stir. All right, so we did say that this is a crockpot recipe, and we are now ready to add our beef and bacon mixture into our crockpot. All right, so it is in our crockpot, and the next thing we are going to add is 2 small cans of roasted garlic tomato sauce. Followed by our diced tomatoes. I have a roasted garlic, 1, along with a basil, garlic, and oregano, 1. Then we have 3 cans of chili beans. I am using kidney beans in mild chili sauce. And we will add those in. All right, so now that all that is in, we are going to give it a good mix through. Get everything mixed together. All right, next we are going to add the rest of our chili seasoning mix. Followed by a little extra cumin. And chili powder. And some smoked paprika. And mix all that in. All right, so finally we are going to top it with the rest of our crumbled bacon. All right, this looks really good. We are now ready to put the lid on our crock pot, which we have set to high. And after a couple hours, we will turn it down to low and let it simmer until dinner time. All right, it has been 2 hours and it is looking really good. I'm going to turn my crock pot down to low, put the lid back on, and just let it simmer, the longer the better, until I'm ready to serve. I like to serve with cheddar cheese on top, but use whatever toppings you like. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss any upcoming videos. Bye guys!